Swatika! Welcome back to my channel. Hi guys! I know I've so missed you all. Namiss ko kayong lahat. Alam ko na naging super busy ako this past few weeks, months. Okay, kaya hindi ako nakapag-upload. And besides, andito kasi ako ngayon sa Manila, Philippines, diba? Since last year, nung nag-lockdown. Kaya hindi ako gaano makagawa ng mga content. Of course, alam niyo naman na yung content ko is all about Thai and my experience as being a teacher in Thailand. But luckily, I have a friend, okay, na nagpadala ng kanyang package for me here. And this is related to Thailand. So I'm so excited to do this. So if you want to know kung ano yung package na pinadala niya, stay tuned.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Okay, hi guys! Welcome back. Huwag natin patagalin pa to. I am so excited because yung isa nga pong friend natin, kasi kung alam niyo, before I went to Bangkok, I actually stayed in Phuket, Thailand for at least 3 months or almost 3 months. So I met there mga Filipino friends din, ayan, and isa nga doon yung may-ari ng A-Pop Kitchen. At ayan, siya nagpadala nga siya ngayon ng kanyang parang papatikim niya sa akin lahat ng mga putahe na nasa akin. Actually, I'm not sure kung lahat na nandito, but most of the na part ng menu niya nandito. So, I'm so excited to taste them all. Halika, tikman na natin sila. Ayan, so I dressed up for this. I so dressed up for this. Kasi nga, titikim tayo ng mga Thai food. Ayan, from A-Pop Kitchen. Guys, mamaya sabihin ko sa inyo yung mga details nung kanilang restaurant. Actually, it's not a restaurant yet. It's like more of a kiosk, or meron silang pwesto somewhere in Mandaluyong, but I'll tell you more about that later on. I'm just so excited na tikman natin lahat ng mga pinadala niya. Tingnan niyo kung gaano kadami. Let's all try this. I'm so excited, guys. Just go. Again, thank you so much, A-Pop Kitchen, because you know, for sending this package for me, and also kasi ano parang this will bring me back to my second home, which is Thailand. I so miss their Thai food. Sobrang miss ko talaga. So let's start. Sobrang dami, hindi ko alam saan ako mag-start. Okay, let's try first. I think this is their stir-fried rice na seafood, kasi may nakikita ko mga pusit-pusit. At may kasama siyang jelly. Kasama siyang itlog, guys. So let's try this first. Oh my god, I so miss this. Oh my god, ang galing. May mga hipon-hipon, no? Asa na yung kanyang pusit? Oh my god. Diyos ko Lord, ito pa lang, nasimula pa lang tayo sa bugna. Ganito ng jelly. Kasi ganito kumain yung mga BL actors natin. Actually, yung mga Thai, ganito talaga sila kumain. Parang nasa on top talaga yung itlog. they love their eggs, and I love mine too. Mm. Mm. Heaven. Sobra. Inom na tayo ng Emma. Okay, so that's their fried rice. Actually, ito, ang alam ko, itong fried rice nila, may mga ano to eh. May mga versions like, merong kapad mo, kapad kai, which is, yung mo, kapad mo is stir-fried rice, pork stir-fried rice, and then chicken stir-fried rice. Itong binadala niya sa akin is, ano to, seafood stir-fried rice. And napakasarap, sobra. Okay, andito yung tom yum, may chicken sa atin, merong pad thai, merong spring rolls, pero alam ko kasi yung spring rolls is not actually a Thai food, it's more of Vietnamese food, I think. So technically, hindi lang puro Thai food yung nasa A-Pop Kitchen, it's actually a taste of Asia, I think. Kasi may mga dumplings din siya pinadala sa akin. And of course, yung aking isa sa mga favorite ko is yung mango sticky rice. Ano nga ba Thai name nito? Nakalimutan ko. Anyway, search ko mamaya sa Google. Anyway, ito na, and we have of course there's yung mga sauce na ito, I think hindi ko alam kung para saan to, pero mamantika rin kasi siya. I mean, maano siya, hindi ko alam kung saang sauce to. Tingnan muna natin. Basahan natin na ay, peanut sauce. Para dun sa may ano, sa spring rolls, I guess. Tingnan natin. Yeah, oh my god. Peanut sauce. God, shucks. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Kay, for sending me this. I love it. I love it. Okay, next is this is coconut milk. Yes, ito naman ay para dun sa ating mango sticky rice. Mamaya natin i-keme ito. So excited. Okay, and this one, I think this is for chicken satay. Tignan natin. Kakamay ko na. Oh my god, ang sarap! Chicken satay siya. And I think this is soy sauce para naman sa dumplings natin. Okay, let's continue. So, pad thai, of course. Wait lang. Napakita ko sa inyo kung paano nila pinusent yung pad thai nila. And this one. Nakikita niyo ba yung chilies na nandito? And of course, yung peanuts. May mga tofu din. And, ang tawag dito, yung mga mango sprouts and everything. Ayan. This is so legit. Well, gamit natin is, you know, calamansi. Pero, dun sa Thailand, na ginagamit nila dun is lime. Or yung tinatawag nilang manaw. Yun ang ginagamit nila. So, let's just sprinkle into this. I'm so excited. Ready na ba kayo, guys? Are you ready? Siyempre, kailangan natin i-mix to para talagang sabugang eksena, di ba? Pero kayo, kung ayaw nyo naman ng super anghang, edi, huwag nyong ihalo masyado yung chilies. Ganon. Hanggang ilalim yung chilies kasi, de. So, paano? Oh my God! Anyway. Oh, sorry, ang messy ko. Anyway, let's go. Let's dig in. Oh my God. Legit. Ang legit at ang anghang. Let's get more of that peanut inemen. Ang sarap. Gosh. Alam niyo yung feeling na parang nasa Bangkok ulit kayo. Kasi sa Bangkok, super. Alam mo sa Bangkok, parang every corner may makikita kang nagbibenta ng pad thai and everything. Ang daming restaurants na nagbibenta ng pad thai. Ang sarap. Oh my God, I can't wait to finish this video para makain ko ng maayos ang mga ito sa totoong buhay lang. Okay, so that's pad thai. Ito, I think, anong pad thai to? I think this is chicken pad thai. Okay, ano natin to? Pad thai kung. Alam mo, this is pad thai kung. Kasi may nakita rin akong shrimp. Ang sarap. Perfect. O, tom yum kung. Oh my God, napaka-legit tignan. Guys, di ko kasi mabuhat kasi medyo oily yung yung lalagyanan. Pero wait lang, I'll try my best. Okay, so medyo oily kasi siya. But, hindi yung super oil lang. Ganito talaga yung ito yung creamy version ng tom yum. Kasi meron ko isa pang version na parang plain, walang gata or something. Ito kasi I think merong gata ito. That's why it looks so creamy. But I will not eat the shrimp kasi tinan nyo naman, yung shrimp, ayan oh. Tumutulo-tulo pa siya, diba? Medyo messy kainan kapag gano'n. So, ang gagawin natin para matikman natin is yung soup na lang itong tikman natin. Okay? Oh my God, I so miss Thailand. Oh my God, ang legit! Shucks! Ang legit niya! Isa pa. I'm so proud of you. Best K, I'm so proud of you. Si Best K kasi po ang CEO, CEO ng A-Pop Kitchen. Tingnan naman yung Silly Girls, guys. Diba? Ang legit, sobra. Oh my God. Perfect talaga na hindi ako kumain ng dinner for this. Legit! Yung stir-fried rice nila, legit. It tastes the same. Yung mga, alam mo yung pagpupunta ka ng mga karinderi, actually, hindi ba tawag na doon? Anyway, basta yung mga kainan doon, diba, yung mga papaluto ka na parang 5 minutes luto na yung pagkain mo. Ganyan yung lasa nun. Very, very authentic. And then, itong pad thai, ganun din. Alam mo, nakakatuwa kasi meron ako nakikita, sa sobrang miss ko kasi ng Thai food, of course, naghahanap din ako ng Thai food. Sa grocery, pa nag-grocery kami, may nakikita akong parang instant pad thai na set, na medyo, mahal siya, parang 400 plus. I think. Tapos ikaw pa magluluto. Eto girl, parang ikaw na yung hindi ko alam paano kakakainin yung spring rolls, but let's do the spring rolls. Let's do the spring rolls. Go! Haluin muna natin yung kanyang sauce, M&M, para manunuot ang sarap, Emerald. Oh God, oh God. Long, Diyos ko Lord. Thank you so much. I cannot say thank you enough, guys. Sa APAP Kitchen, of course, dahil sobrang in-important nila itong gabing ito for me. Oh my God. Let's do this. I'm not sure kung paano ko siya kakainin, but bubuhatin ko for you. Diba? Diba? So, paano? Tinidurin ko ba to? Alam mo, kung di lang kayo nanonood, sinubo ko ng isang buo to. Pero, for the sake of, you know, finesse, ayan, for the, for the pa-sweet, sorry, for the pa-sweet, Alam mo, yung friend ko nga na si Kay, may-ari ng APAP Kitchen. May kambal yan si Carla. But, kasi nung nandun kami sa Phuket, parang one time, may nag-birthday sa mga parang tropa namin. Kasi meron kami parang barkadahan doon. Ang alam ko, yung partner kasi ni Kay is Vietnamese, I think. Half Vietnamese, at least. Pag nagluluto sila, pag gumagawa sila nito, alam mo, ang sausawan nila dito dati is parang vinegar. Pero masarap din yun. Ito, ang sarap din ng peanut sauce. Guys, you should try this. I mean, Asian flavor. Well, hindi, siguro may Thai na ganito din na version, but I think this is really Vietnamese. Kasi talagang kalasa siya nung kinain namin before na ginawa nung Vietnamese friend namin na partner ni Kay. This is refreshing. Kung ayaw nyo, alam nyo yun nung sawa na kayo sa karne and everything, this is a great alternative. Kasi, vegetables lang yun na doon. May mga, I'm seeing carrots, onions, ano pa ba? Sprouts, may mga shrimp, may pork. Actually, I'm saying pork, so technically, hindi pa rin nakaiwas sa karne, but very minimal kasi yung karne niya. Tapos, talagang malalasahan mo yung freshness ng mga vegetables. So, I think, nahihirapan na akong kainin siya kasi alam niyo naman. Pero mamaya, kung hindi lang kayo talaga nanonood, binuhat ko yung isa, sinubo ko talaga lahat, girl, para tapos ang laban. But yeah, oh my God, may bago na akong favorite, this one. Ano ba tawag dito, yung spring rolls nila, ng Vietnamese spring rolls, I think. Because of the Vietnamese spring rolls. Sarap. Okay, so bumalik tayo sa lasa ng Tom Yum. Sobrang miss ko kasi yung lasa ng Thailand mo, guys. Sobrang legit, nakakaloka. Oh God. Kain na lang tayo ng mushroom. Meron kasi yung mushroom to, no? Can you see this? Guys, can you see this? Hindi na ako nakamove on sa Tom Yum. Alright, let's move on. Ito naman yung sauce para dito sa ating chicken satay. Satay ba or satay? I'm not sure. Pero guys, this one kasi, well, this one is very popular din sa Thailand. Apparently, I think, kasi si Kate, if you know Kate, my sister Kate, hi Kate, shout out. My sister Kate, which is, you know, alam naman natin lahat, that Thai person, she has a partner na Indonesian. And I think this chicken satay is Indonesian, is an Indonesian cuisine. Kasi, when we were going sa Ayutthaya, kasama namin yung partner niya, yung boyfriend ni Kay. Hindi Kay. And Indonesian nga siya. Parang pinag-awayan nila yata. Hindi na pinag-awayan. Nagkaroon sila ng discussion about this. But yeah, Kate also agreed that this chicken satay or satay is indeed an Indonesian cuisine. So let's try this. Oh my god. To be honest, I haven't tried this in Thailand kasi hindi ako fan nung color yellow kasi parang feeling ko super curry. Pero actually masarap siya. To be honest, I think parang siyang parang may Middle Eastern siya taste. Diba alam niyo nagkanya ako ng Dubai? Parang somehow may ganung taste siya. Yung parang Dubai. Friend, masarap siya. I like it. Okay, ilan mo na akong wow! So, ano pang din natin natitikman? We're done with the fried rice. We're done with the spring roll. Sa tom yum, of course. Pad Thai. Ito na lang. Let's try their dumplings. Marami na ganito sa Bangkok, actually. Meron nga rin silang Siopaw, they call it bao or something. But, let's try their dumplings. Dito. Lagyan muna natin ng sauce. Pupuhos ko na. Ganun din naman. Let's try. So, ito po yung dumplings sa sinabawan. Kasi, ganun din naman para sabaw. Oh my God. If I remembered correctly, sila Kay kasi at saka nung kambal niya, back in Phuket, they used to sell this as well. It's actually a combination. Parang I think this is, kasi may ganito nga sa Thailand and it tastes the same. However, medyo na iba lang siya kasi nga may Filipino touch. Ang galing, ang sarap. This is a handmade, guys, ha. They do this by themselves. Hindi yung binibili. Kasi kami yung binibenta kong siomai dito sa amin. Ano yun, sa David's. Ito sila gumagawa nito. Sarap! Oh my God. Ayan, sana, I hope you don't feel like minamadali ko yung video kasi gusto kong kainin siya nang wala kayo. Pero parang gano'n na nga. Amen. Anyway, we're down to our last dish. So, again, mamaya tayo mag-wrap up. Pero, shucks. Guys, if you haven't tried mango sticky rice, yung mga nagpunta na ng Thailand, ano yung pinaka-favorite nyo na Thai food na natikman nyo when you went to Thailand? Kasi ako talaga, one of my favorites will be itong mango sticky rice. So, nung kapatid ko, nung bumisita siya sa Thailand, kasama yung partner niya, ito yung hindi nila natikman. Kasi, parang we went to Pratunam, tapos super shopping sila. Eh, di ba sa Pratunam din marami rin mga street food. So, isa to sa mga sinasuggest ko sa kanila. Yun nga lang, since merong tawag dito, itong coconut milk, natakot silang itry kasi nga, marami pa kayong pupuntahan that time. Baka daw, sumakit yung siya nila kasi parang lactose intolerant din sila like me. But, kasi ako naman kasi kahit lactose intolerant ako, wala akong pakialam kahit lactose intolerant kasi ako, I still you know, kapag gusto ko yung food, kinakain ko pa rin. So, guys, I must warn you that this is my favorite part here. This is my favorite food. One of my favorite foods. Well, Tom Yum and Pad Thai is actually one of my favorites as well. Oh, two of my favorites as well. But yeah, this one. So, how you eat this? Okay, napakasimple lang, guys. Nakita nyo yung award. So, nakita nyo yung mangga, di ba? Nalagyan na siya ng chicken satay. Charot. So, itong mangga, kailangan meron siyang kasamang coconut milk. And then, isasabay mo yung sticky rice. Wait lang. Which is, by the way, they made it very colorful. Sa Thailand, well, sa Thailand, meron naman din ganitong may mga colors. But then, ang pinaka, hindi ko naman pinaka normal or yung normal na makikita nyo dun is yung ito lang, yung kulay puti lang na ano, na rice. But this one, this is colored. They call it the rainbow mango sticky rice. And this is not just because of, you know, to celebrate LGBTQ Pride Month, but to celebrate the food, I think. To celebrate to celebrate Thai culture because it's very, very colorful. Guys, sorry, wait lang. Dad man ako kahit nandiyan na kayo. Sorry. Anyway, yung mga colors na to, wala to ha, hindi to flavors or what, hindi siya flavor, hindi siya ganon. It's just color. But yeah. Sobrang sarap. Pero mamaya na yan. Mamaya sa akin yan. I'm so happy! So, ayan. We're done tasting everything and everything tastes wonderful. I should say na ang favorite ko pa rin of course is mango sticky rice. Followed by, I think chicken satay is good as well. Followed by chicken satay. Well, pad thai hindi naman siya kapauday kasi napaka very common and the taste of this is very Thai. Of course, tom yum kung, or meron tong, alam ko pwede ito ng pork and pwede rin ng chicken. I'm not sure kung meron sila. I'll show you. I mean, nandun naman sa menu, diba? Nakita niyo naman kanina. So, tom yum. And then, of course, basic will be, of course, this one, yung kanilang stir-fried, seafood stir-fried rice. And, yung ating very refreshing na spring rolls. Masarap siya. You should try this. You should try that. And then, itong kanilang, of course, pinaka-last itong dumpling because very common na din sa akin yung taste niya. So, if you guys want to try Thai food or Asian food na may itong satay and then yung iba pa nga, you should contact A-Pop Kitchen. They're located in Mandaluyong. I'll just post their page here para malaman niyo yung kanilang location. I think they'll be in Grab soon. Hindi pa ngayon but soon. But you can always of course pick it up there through Grab. If you have any questions kung paano mag-order, just message their page. It's A-Pop Kitchen sa Facebook. I think they also have an Instagram, but yeah, I'll post everything here para makita nyo. And guys, especially those BL fans out there, and or yung mga gustong pumunta ng Thailand that they haven't tried any Thai food, this is your chance kasi inilapit na ng A-Pop Kitchen sa atin yung Thai flavors, yung Asian flavors, and they're just a comment or a message away. Just message them on their Facebook page to order this very, very scrumptious cuisine. Ang sasarap lahat. But ako, if you're new sa mga Thai food and hindi kasi alam ko tong tom yum, pwede nilang anghangan to eh. Para pwede mo sabihin na anghangan. Also the pad thai. Actually everything is except of course yung mango sticky rice. pwede lang anghangan yan depending on your, you know, tolerance sa spiciness ng food. But I'll give it, if I'm going to score it, 10 being the highest and then 1 being the lowest, I'd say it's a 9.5 for me in total. Or kung isa-isahin natin, Tom Yum is a 9 for me. Mango sticky rice is a 9.5 for me. Pad Thai is a 9. Everything is a 9 except the mango sticky rice, which is a 9.5 because that's my favorite. And kuwang-kuwa po talaga na rin lasa. Alright! Ayan! I'm so excited to finish this video para makain ko na talaga siya ng matino. And to share it with my family, of course. Kasi pa kasi yung kapatid ko, and I want them to try, of course, the Thai food. And also the other Asian food here. So, once again, guys, if you want to try Thai food, if you want to, yung mga nakapunta naman na ng Thailand at nakatakim na ng Thai food, if you want to savor again the flavor of Thailand, go contact A-Pop Kitchen. Okay? They're located in Mandaluyong only. In Plainview, Mandaluyong. Okay? And I'll post again their menu here. Alright? Ayan! Okay! So, yeah. If you're going to order, siguro, you could tell them that, parang nakita ko po yung post ni Queen Patty. And that might actually help you out. I'm not sure, but we're actually planning to do like a discount thing or maybe a freebie kapag talagang naging ano. But that will be very, very soon. For now, just go message them, order some food, order some Thai food, and enjoy. Ayan. Once again, this is Patty. Thank you so much for watching, guys. And I hope you still support my page kahit hindi ako gaano nakakapag-post. But I'll try my best to post something about Thailand and about my experiences there before. And then siguro once I'm back in Thailand after this pandemic, of course, I'll be posting some videos for you ng maraming pa. But for now, let's just stay safe. Ayan, get yourself vaccinated. And I'll see you soon. Bye, guys. Sorry.